Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will use the SystemInfo command tool in Windows to tell you all you need to know about your system but didn't know how to ask. We will link an article in the description down below that will go much further into depth. Start by opening a command prompt as an administrator. Type in SystemInfo, all is one word, and hit enter. The computer will display things from system configuration, security information, product ID, hardware properties such as RAM, disk space, network card, system boot time, BIOS version, and more. For more insider information about how to learn more about your Windows machine, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. And hey, if this video helped you out a little bit, give us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel where we are always adding more content aimed at making your digital universe just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a great day.